Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Saturday, June 19th, 2023. And this is an update on the 1957 Martinac, which I haven't worked on in over a year. So right now, you can see this different color plywood on both sides here. And that's some kind of an old repair. I'm not sure if it was done during manufacturing or sometime after. So what they did, they spliced in these plywood panels on both sides. And then there's a frame member here. And then here they put a piece of plywood on the inside, put a bunch of wood screws in here and here where the joints are. They did something similar on the other side here, here and here. So where they had those pieces of plywood, I released all the wood screws and took those plywood panels out. And then on the inside, I cleaned up the paint and did some sanding. So I'll walk around on the inside real quick. Okay. So the last time I worked on the boat, I did these repairs here. Again, there was something similar. There was old repair work. I ripped all that out and put in new plywood panels to really beef it up. But now, I'm dealing with this area right here. So you can see the seams. There was a piece of plywood here, 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 and here. So I've gotten all that taken out, got it sanded and cleaned up. So now I'm going to apply some Smith's Clear penetrating epoxy sealer and then fill all the old wood screw holes with the Smith's fillet. And then on the inside, I'll lay some thick fiberglass patches over all of that, the 17-ounce fiberglass, probably at least 2 layers. And that should take care of that. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.